Hi friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's take a look at two different houses and home decor styles, and see which one is our favorite. House number 1 is a modern industrial Bohemian apartment, located in Barcelona, Spain. This gorgeous apartment from Barcelona, Spain measures 150 square meters or 1,610 square feet, and it feels a lot more spacious than that. The designers managed to open it up and to redistribute the rooms and to rethink the way in which they're connected. They also managed to uncover some really beautiful original details like the exposed bricks which now make up some of the walls. The building in which the loft is situated dates back to the early 20th century, and since then most of the original architecture and design details have been covered up and hidden. This recent renovation was an opportunity to rediscover some of them and to create a unique and amazing new interior. The result here was an eclectic design, a combination of elements and details linked to several different styles such as industrial, contemporary, vintage, and bohemian. These are sprinkled all throughout the apartment. Now let's take a look at some individual rooms, starting with this gorgeous kitchen. The open kitchen is all industrial, with black cabinetry, black marble countertops and backsplashes, red brick walls. The kitchen island features wine storage, light-stained butcher block countertops, and of course tall leather stools, because they fit so well with the modern industrial vibes. The living room was done with brick walls and a really unique brick ceiling, a black accent wall, a built-in fireplace, and a balcony to relax on. Speaking of the balcony is glazed and is decorated in Boho style, with a Boho hammock, a Boho table, and a tray with matching teapot. Also notice that the homeowner has chosen to enclose the balcony, to ensure plentiful usage all throughout the year. The dining space is industrial for sure, with a beautiful restored brick wall, a wooden table and black chairs plus pendant lamps to help light the table. The bathroom is clad with gray tiles, a dark and moody floral wall that makes a contrasting statement to the cherry aqua appliances. The bedroom is done in light shades, with shabby chic whitewashed furniture and beautiful gray bedding. I have to be honest, I did not expect a home this size to have a closet this big. The closet is done in neutrals and the furniture is very dark, but there's still enough light so that it doesn't look like a dungeon. This salon is combined with a working space. There's a hairpin leg desk and some cool shelves plus storage. Next, let's take a look at a mid-century modern house with A-frame sections located in Connecticut. This mid-century modern family home from Litchfield, Connecticut has a rich and beautiful history and has done remarkably well preserving its character and still looking trendy to this day. It's a fairly big place that measures 4,234 square feet on a 15-acre lot. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with a large open floor plan and a very distinct architectural character. The house is a collection of 6 interconnected sections, all with beautiful A-frame outlines. This gives each one individuality but also makes the entire building as a whole stand out and look amazing. The interior is just as beautiful and exquisite as the exterior of the house. Glazed A-frame sections and soaring ceilings give the living areas a very airy and light feel, while exposed redwood beams create an interesting pattern and add a bit of warmth to the decor. The house also has 3 large stone fireplaces, which make it feel as inviting and as comfortable as you can imagine. The original slate floors also add a lot to the design without becoming a main focal point. There are several lofted areas incorporated into the triangle-shaped sections, and they're scattered around the central area. The rooms are full of natural light, welcoming and absolutely cozy, and they each take full advantage of the openness, architectural beauty, and beautiful surroundings. This beautiful mid-century modern home features several A-frame sections and is surrounded with woods all around. The living room is neutral, with a fireplace, woven chairs and some comfy furniture plus touches of wood peeking out here and there. The wall is glazed, with sliding doors to outside and curtains for some privacy if it's desired. As you can see, the room gives a strong nod to the 1960s and 1970s and actually reminds me of the Brady Bunch house just a bit. The high ceilings are highlighted with super long lamps and chandeliers. There are vaulted portions where the A-frame roof appears outside. The dining space is located by a large glass wall, with a wooden dining set, and lots of potted plants. The dining set is one that can probably be found at your local consignment shop or thrift store, since most people run towards newer, more trendy dining rooms. However, a dining set like this is sturdy, usually made of solid wood, and can last for decades, as seen here. The kitchen is clad with wood and white stone. There are several windows and skylights. And just by taking a look at the kitchen, it's clear that the 1970s are full on display. There's another living room with white walls, a stone fireplace, and comfy mid-century modern furniture. And can we just take a moment to admire this beautiful fireplace? It's hard to find home design like this in new build construction. The guest bedroom is done with white walls and some windows plus comfy mid-century furniture. It also looks like the guest bedroom is in a different section of the home and has its own private entrance. Very nice indeed. Here is another beautiful guest bedroom, and as you can see, this one is located in one of those prominent mid-century modern A-frame roof lines. This bedroom also features a glass wall, some comfy furniture and cozy light. The house also has multiple wooden decks, which extend the living spaces outdoors. This is quite beautiful when the decks extend off of those rooms with the glass walls. Another great example of indoor-outdoor living. The wooden surroundings turn this house into a really peaceful and tranquil family retreat. I love how the house has a mid-century modern funky vibe inside, but is so calm and peaceful outside, really the best of both worlds. So now is your chance to chime in. Which home or home style did you enjoy most? Let me know down below.
Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.